Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Omayan Wright will be Arsenal legend. Don't come as I call the talk say in the very confident. Say Arsenal will defeat struggling Liverpool. So but they analyze talk say if we withstand Liverpool early pressure, you know say if we enter there, they go first give us rush hour part 1, part 2, part 3, bang to see whether they go score us good, bang. That's what you're right to talk about. But if we fit just withstand that early pressure, maybe that kind of 15-20 minutes game will come normalize. There are people who see who will fit fight that, because the way we see how Liverpool they play against Chelsea, just say this confidence say Arsenal will collect maximum point because they are not unbeatable. They are not as strong as they used to be in the past. In fact, this season Liverpool don't collect maybe like 1 win in 9 away games. That's so bad and terrible away. Even your club self confirm and say yes, away our away form you know good but our home form still did a bit better again. That was why they for you know what it mean for them to rest players because they won't play Arsenal. But you know say they don't rate Chelsea at all. Arsenal and then the rates go so okay. Then this one they be league leaders. Get if we do anyhow they will knock you blue and black again. So Arsenal we are going there like what Granit Xhaka talk. I think yesterday or the first day. Say we are going there that we have the confidence. Say we go there. We know they go there go can't breathe. We know they go there go play. We go there go collect maximum 3 points. We have the confidence that we can go there and win. And you're right that talk say you don't see everything and we know where Arsenal they play. Say no we are playing very good football and we are going there. And we should say down there excited. The match they give them excitement. You know just know why. Say just they get excitement. Say that's our voodoo. You know they're like a boogie team to us. So we won't go there. We'll scatter that history we did there so we know they collect points. See our last so games from there they knock us so they score 22, we score 4. This time around we don't go make sure so that can't happen again. Alright, King self can't come outside call the talk say for him since this see Manchester City see they will carry the league. Say Arsenal quite alright, then be favourites get but you know see Arsenal winning the league. Say Arsenal go choke get as time goes by they go choke. Then they go come let Man City come win the title. And what's in they talk because they say why they talk like that based on Arsenal's antecedent, based on what Arsenal don't do in the past, and based on what Man City don't do in the past. When people make this kind of arguments, I don't really blame them again. I will blame ourselves because if say we know they disappoint our fans in the past, people don't come outside like this. When they talk say Man City will come win or say we will capitulate like a pack of cards. After all, we did it last season. Get 3 matches to go. I mean, how many matches to go? Arsenal 4. Tottenham Hotspur carry Champions 6 dots. But people forget the variables. Get the context. See, don't be the same thing. That last season we had a lot of injury problems to key players that affected us in the run into the Champions League. But this time around, we don't have much injury. At least Saliba is out, and also after that Liverpool match, Saliba should be welcomed back into the fold because it's too early for us to bring him in, making him go aggravate in back injury. But still, we'll just see how the match will go. And this Sunday now. Our Paul Tierney, now be the referee when they talk say go officiate the Liverpool versus Arsenal match. So many Arsenal fans can come outside for social media, come the para. A lot of people are complaining that the referee, you know, they're good for Arsenal. In fact, the last 5 times we don't play under this referee, we lost all 5. The last 5 games we play under him, we lose all 5. I don't know, the company say the guy get bad blood for us, you know, like Arsenal. When it comes to officiating, you know, they give us favorable officiating, like they always support our opposition. In fact, they got to say that goal when Martinelli scored for Old Trafford early in the season, now this same referee now cancel the goal, say no big goal. So people they reason all these different things called talk say for that reason, say no go make sense. Now, as a point of consolation, you get this same referee, you know, they favorable to Liverpool. In fact, for the history of your club don't tell this referee after a match say I don't get any issue with any referees upon this England, but you, I have issue with you because of their match when they play against Tottenham Hotspur. The referee do anyhow support Tottenham Hotspur. In short, it was obvious the bias was there. So now don't get referee no support both sides. So we'll just see how everything will go, whether everything will be neutral. Get may referee no shall spoil the match on that day, but we'll enjoy good football because both teams will not come out and play 10 men behind the ball. Now attacking, exciting stuff, end to end. You get electrifying stuff. You get so most everything will be. On my way from that, so Aaron Ramsdale don't come outside and talk say in the model in game on Josu Giskalinian wey be former Bolton goalkeeper. I get when I dey support Bolton that year, and just Kalina and then they keep wey JJ Okocha dey play there. As I just see the name for that report, he just carry me go memory lane because na Bolton I first support before I come join Arsenal onto Kano level. You get so those who dey follow Naija, that was spawn and Naija players dey follow anywhere they go. JJ na legend that year na get wey dey dribble like mad, score free kick, do that in dribbling style. So Bako talk say wetin make I dey support this Josie Laskin. And say if you watch Josie, go see say the way in the position in leg, the way in the position in hand, the way in the deliver, na the same way himself dey deliver. And the reason be say the same person wey coach am Fred Baba for Stoke, no person wey coach Josie Jaskalainen na him coach this our own Ramsdale when Ramsdale for Stoke get. I was saying talk, and Fred Baba the same way when they coach different coaches. And so in the coach every other person, you get one type of coaching style. Will teach you how to position your leg, how to deliver, how to kick the balls, how to read the game. So and the Ramsey contact say what's it called the suit and say you see the same coach we coach all of us. You can't see one particular person when they do the same thing and coach us again week in week out, and it's very very successful. Why you don't go serious? They focus on that thing. That is why if you watch just the Jaskalena highlights, what you own a similar style of goalkeeping way na them they do, and say Josie na be inspiration when they start to the keep. So it is what it is. And for me, Josie is a legend for us that year. The guy they keep ball. I don't take for this ball. Alright, for those who know they are aware, so Arsenal now open contract talks with Reiss Nelson after all the whole talk, hold on talk. Say it is high time they reward this guy with a new contract. Don't forget that his contract is expiring at the end of the season, which is why I feel Arsenal won't reward them early enough because the guy don't try very well. Just like as they do in Katie, and Katie are supposed to expire at the end of the season, they just give him a contract offer. So himself, even Fabrizio Romano himself weighed in on the matter. Fabrizio say reports. So what's in the here be say the Reiss Nelson representatives with Arsenal and they discuss in contract negotiation to extend in current contract and give him a bumper pay rise again, because this guy say if we end up winning the league, this guy will be one of the people who contributes immensely to our league success, because that's in goal that minute 3-2 we wipe we enter no be being so that goal that make us do where we do. The goal it give us that momentum, give us that push, the celebration around every stadium. I don't think I don't ever celebrate the way I celebrate that day. It was mad, it was crazy. So we just did very very happy with that, and the guy they play very well. Jacob Murphy don't come outside and talk say Arsenal so na them be the best EPL team this season. Say the way Arsenal they play, they are incredible to watch. Everybody don't talk that thing. Arsenal is incredible to watch. They play nice football, like your club talk, we play super football against the way we play this season. Nobody don't play like that. We have won more games than everybody. We know now the 3 I think we don't lose all through the season. It is not being easy now. We did like maybe second or third best defense in the league. We are very very good also. It is hard to break down our shape. According to Jacob Murphy, we are playing very well. Our Yuri don't come outside and insist on high wage demands. Get see, as in they come out as a free agent, so anybody who wants sign and make them increase in salary well because they no go pay any club. So people like Arsenal, that's going to make them the turn off. It's going to make them the vex. People like Newcastle say they know they happy. Say the guy want increase in salary when he want collect. Say it don't make any sense at all. So we never know how all this drama go unfold, because Arsenal and Newcastle will be the front runners to sign the guy as a free agent. They look at the reason the matter now. So we'll just see at the end of the summer whether Arsenal will really sign the guy again. Because for me, I'm looking at the fact that we want to replicate our title winning season. Maybe we'll win this one now. Maybe next season we'll replicate that. We need senior men like after we qualify with Champions League, some kind of players who would be interested in us. You know, go be quality of your Tillemans, so the fit senior ram will get. We are talking about Sergei Milinkovic Savic, some kind of men players there. So I never really know. I believe he gets the eyes on who he wants sign. If you be people we don't even know, but there could be men for another league. Or just the watch. Another two calling here, we say Arsenal they willing to pay £30 million for Brahim Diaz of AC Milan. Don't forget that his parents' club is Real Madrid. Now Real Madrid sent this guy on loan to AC Milan, making him go to play there. The guy don't play very well. Don't play since I think 2020-2021 season. He has played over 100 and something games. They play very well. This season alone, don't play 30 something games, scored 6 goals, made like 3 assists. He did very good, and he's 23 years old. He's a young boy. So I thought that they identify him as a very good player for the middle of our pack. Saying would like to sign him. The guy is up to requirement for Real Madrid. You know, if he break into the Real Madrid setup. So when they say Arsenal offer 30 million, like we are willing to pay 30 million for him, and Real Madrid may likely collect the money because AC Milan they don't really have cash. That's why they call it collect the guy loan after year, loan. They don't get money to make the deal perpetual, to make it a final destination for the player. Just like we collect Odegaard before you know we'll make it permanent. So that's what we'll be looking at doing for Ibrahim Diaz. So anyhow the deal they go, we'll just watch. Very soon now, league go end, transfer window go open. Alright, Gary Neville don't come outside again, come to talk. Say I seen them like this now after watching that Liverpool and Chelsea match. Must say nothing what anybody want tell her. Say Arsenal will punish Liverpool. Say all those chances which Chelsea they waste, those chances that were going begging. If you give Arsenal half of those chances, before you go know, Liverpool go down the chop like 3-0. Like the gap for the match go down wide. Say Arsenal they just play. Arsenal are clinical now. They don't play. When it comes to goals scored, Arsenal are second on the card that I get. Because Man City now be number 1 for goals scored. Arsenal they second. They don't score one more goal pass in terms of goals scored. In terms of goal difference, they take like 2 gap possible. So Arsenal they play. I gotta never change his tune. Say Liverpool when they talk say they go kill Arsenal. This one that one. Say so which team watch? Which they play against Chelsea? Say no. Say if Arsenal catch them, Arsenal go punish them. But what people fail to understand me say that match against Chelsea, Liverpool rested a lot of players. People like Virgil van Dijk no play. He was sick. But he go come back against Arsenal. People like Salah were missing in the first 11. Cody Gakpo was missing. All those kind of Firmino, Jota, and then play first 11. So even that fullback Robertson was missing. In short, I heard Liverpool rested 6 players because of Arsenal. The fear of Arsenal is the beginning of wisdom. So for this I never they talk say even you right said but they talk say Arsenal is going to destroy. I said, everybody just calm down. No. Anfield no be your mate though. For that place, another spirit there for that. It's just like we now will go away. No go compare our fortress, the Emirates. Home na home. Forget. That's what you want to tell me. Home na home. Don't let me say we don't beat them, but you know go there as easy as people just they talk against. But another consolation we say Arsenal want that the number 1 side. We don't score the most goals away from home. I think we scored at 28 goals. We don't score plenty away. We don't knock anybody. We're serious. So we'll just watch. Alright, reports for Spain. They come outside. They suggest to us Real Madrid they're willing to sell Tchouaméni for 70 million euros. Before now the other the defensive midfielder. Now I say maybe they would like to sell it, but this time around this Tchouaméni they get playing time. Now be the issue now. They get playing time. So nobody they feel say well. Surplus to requirements, maybe they would like to sell him. Arsenal are interested, so if they want to sell him, but nobody else they want buy him. People like Chelsea, other clubs did now because they really say the guy now very young player with a huge potential for the future. So Arsenal they for those with the queue. So okay, in case now want to sell him, we say we day here because Real Madrid won't collect money so that they will go buy Declan Rice. Once season not end now, there will be a bidding war for Declan Rice. Liverpool will be there, Man City I think they will be there. People like Real Madrid now they will be there. Many other clubs too. Maybe there too. So I never know last who will sign the player. So there's no you have a Tchouaméni, say one cup carry this one called Jeremy. You say no brainer now. So most of the watchers everything they go. Alright, Eintracht Frankfurt don't confirm the capture of William Pacho from Royal Antwerp. This guy is going to be the cover or replacement for Evan Ndika, who is supposed to leave at the end of the season as a free agent. This guy is a left wing centre back. Arsenal in the past were interested in him. We even hear say Arsenal have an agreement with him, say they would like to sign him as a free agent. Later the Fabrice will come debunk him, say Arsenal don't get an agreement. That's why we come run go sign our own player. We don't use now. So from Spezia, I don't know how everything they go. Though when the league don't end, I will really know the truth of the matter. Whether Arsenal they go for Evan Ndika, I would not leave Evan Ndika. I never really know because that Evan Ndika, I really like the guy. They're very big, strong, and tall. So I don't know how everything they go. So my dear Arsenal lovers, you know what yesterday should check the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click and say you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get out.